Let's talk products, right? Contra Vision has two product lines, Performance and Campaign. What can we tell the customers about what's the difference between the two of them?
So the Performance is going to be our polymeric product. It is a polymeric calendared vinyl, and it is a 3+ year product. Our Campaign is a monomeric calendared product, and it is a up to 2 year application. Now, I want to mention that the life of that product, that is rated on clean removability. So at the 3 year mark, when you go to remove it, you'll be left with minimal to no adhesive left on the window. So coming down in big pieces and saving you a lot of headache.
But also there's a thickness difference between the two of them. Campaign is 6 mil thick and Performance is 7 mil thick. I think a lot of customers actually will look at that and like, well, it's just 1 mil. But the reality is that when you jump from 6 to 7, it's actually close to a 17% increase in thickness, right? And that increase in thickness will help you, what you were talking about earlier with removability.
Yeah.
If the product is getting removed off the glass, since it's a thicker product, it's a stronger product to help in removing that product after it's been sitting on the glass, going through 3 years of heat cycles. I think one of the things to talk about is even this background, right? This background right here, this was actually a very large project that we had done with one of our print partners for the 2018 NBA All-Star Game. This was 80,000 square feet of window perf. And when you're putting up that much perf, it's got to go up really easy, but it's actually going to come off. Even though it was only on for a very short period of time, we have seen perforated window films from other brands that maybe have gone on glasses and have been on for a very short period of time and coming off with, just terrible results.
Yeah.
Breaking into 1 million pieces and, of course, leaving adhesive residue all over the glass.
Yeah, so I think it's important that when you look at our product and, you listen to our reputation, that we're really proud to have, that you take that into consideration, that you follow the product life cycle and you won't be sorry.
To learn more about all of our products, please visit our website at contravision.com.